In this lesson, I will explain to you string methods, and under string methods, we will discuss count function. So what count function does, actually it returns number of times a character or a substring occur. Now what is the meaning of this number of times? Suppose here I have made one variable which is initialized by save your code. If you want to check some specific letter or character, suppose here I said how many times O comes in this string, so we can use count function. Or even if you want to check how many times a specific word come in a string, we can apply the count function. So with the help of example, I will show you one by one. Here I want to check how many times O comes, so just run it and see there are two times I have written print function letter O occurrences, and then 2 means there are only 2 times O. See, this is the smallest string, so you can check. One is there, one is there. Even if you want to check E, how many times E comes, just make it E, and here make it E as well. When you will run it, you will see 2 times same thing. Right? You can play with it. Just write down as A whatever you want. And now in the second example, as I mentioned, that even you can check the word, how many times the word save comes. So here I have written the same thing, work underscore tip my variable dot count. See, you have to write down dot count, and when you will run it, so you will see that there is only one time the word save comes. Now again, this is your homework. Check for code, check for your, and if even if you want, you can change this string and then play with it. Here I have made another example for you. So 5 times I have written print function only to show you that it's up to you according to your programming. You can write the first print function will print this string, and then second how many times W comes, how many time O comes, Y comes, and even you can write down some literal how many times the word code comes. So when I will run this, you will see save your code because there are 5 print. So in output, you will see five lines. How many times W comes? 0, because we do not have any W here. How many times O comes? How many times Y comes? And how many times word code comes? Only one time, right? Okay, now one of the most important example of this lesson is here what I did, the same my string, same my variable, but here I said that print work underscore tip, and then this is the string, right? This is the index, sorry. As I said that we can retrieve a part of our string. So here I did not mention anything the start point. It means it will start from S, and then it will count how many times O comes. And in the second part, it will start from 9, and then I did not mention the ending point, so it will by default it will end by E. So first half is the 9. You can see here this is 4 and 4 8, and there is one space as well, so makes 9. When I will run it, so you will see the first part and the second part output. This is our first part, save your, right? See, 4 here, 4 here, 8 characters, and 1 we have in the space 9 because I said it should stop at 9, right? And how many times O comes in the first half? Only one time. And then move on to the second half. Second half start with 9, and see code. And you can see here we have one space, right? Because it will count this space as well. This is one of the most important feature when we will do our programming. And only in the next half, which is code, O is one time, right? I hope this is clear where we have to use the count function. So this one I have made for your practice. The variable name is random underscore tip. We are ahead when it rains, so you can play with it, find out how many times E comes, A comes, I comes. It's up to you. Do whatever I have told you here. In this way you will learn more. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.